Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Gururam channel. I am going to teach 10th standard contents. Make use of it. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss algebra exercise 3.2 question 2. Find the LCM of the given expression. So first term for 4x squared y, 8x cube y squared. First 4x squared y, we will write the factors of 4. 2 into 2, 4. And split and write x squared into y. And also 8x cube y squared, also you write the factor 2 into 2 into 2. And x cube into y square. Next, how will you find the LCM? First, we take the common in both terms. So here 2 and 2 is common. So write 1, 2. And also next, this term you write it 1, 2. And remaining 1, 2 is there. That also you write it. Next, to the power, which power is the highest, you can write the LCM. So here x cube is the highest, so you write it x cube. And y and y squared, if you compare, y squared is the highest power. So y squared write it. Next multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So 8x cube y squared. Or you can write this method also. 4 x squared y, 8 x cube y square. So first you find out LCM of numerical coefficient, that is 4, 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 1, 1. So first here LCM is 8. So in answer you write it 8. And here you see x squared and x cube. Which power is the highest? X cube. And y squared is the highest. So you write this method also. Next question. Minus 9 a cube b squared, 12 a squared b squared c. So minus 9 means first write the factors minus 3 into 3 into a cube into b squared. And 12 a squared b squared c also you can write it. So how will you write it? 12, 3 into 2 into 2. So you can do it this also. Here you see 2, 6, 3, 2. So 2 into 3 into 2. And a squared into b squared into c. So LCM first 3. So minus 3 into 3 is there. So here first common, here 1 3, here 1 3. Take one common 3. And here separated number, that is minus 3 and 2 into 2. So minus 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Here power greater a cube and b squared, both b squared means b squared write it and c also write. Now multiply minus 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2, 18. 18 2s are 36. So minus 36 a cube b squared c is the answer. Third one, 16m, minus 12m squared n squared, 8n squared. So first 16, you do the L-bend prime factorization. 2, 8 2s are 16 and 2, 4 2s are 8. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So first you write it 2 into this one into m. Next minus 12m squared n squared means put it minus and do it 12. 2 6 are 12 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into m squared into n squared. 8 also, 8 n squared also 2 into 2 into 2. So LCM, how will you find? First here I rounded the common first 1, here 2 and 3. So in this we can write it 1 2. Next this one we can write it as this 2. Next you take this 2 into 1 common, write it 1 2, and left over this 2 only, you write it this 2 and this minus 3 also into minus 3. And power, you see highest power m squared, compare 3 m squared, and this one n squared, same, both powers are same, so write it n squared. So multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 3s are 14. Otherwise you can find out the numerical coefficient. Already I told this method also, 16 and 12 and 8. 2 8 6 2s are 12 4, here 2 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 2 2s are 4, 3 as such you write it, and 1 here 2 1 2 is 2, 3 as such 1, and next 3 1 1 1. Now you multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. You can find out directly 48 this method also. Next one, so answer is minus 48 m squared n squared. Fourth one, p squared minus 3p plus 2. First we will find the factor of this. How will you find the factor? If we multiply, it will come 2, and if we add, minus 3. That means if you take 1 into 2, if you multiply, it will come, if you take 1 into 2 factor, if you multiply, the 2 will come, but it will not come minus 3. If we add, it will come plus 3 only. So you can put it here minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. Clear? And if you add minus 1 plus minus 2, minus 3 will come. So the factor is minus 2 and minus 1, or minus 1 or minus 2. So you can write it p minus 1 into p minus 2. That is the factor. Next one, p squared minus 4. 4 means that is a 2 squared. This one algebraic identity only. A squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here what is a? P. A is p and b is 2. Therefore we can write it as p minus p plus 2 into p minus 2. Next we will find the LCM. Here both common p minus 2. So write it one time. And left over the factors p minus 1 and p plus 2. So answer is p minus 2 into p minus 1 into p plus 2. Fifth sum, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 comma 4x squared minus 36. First we will find 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. We find the factor. So 2 into minus 3 we can multiply, we get it minus 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 comma 6, because 1 into 6 6, 2 3s are 6. Here if we multiply, we will get it a 6 means, so we prefer 1 comma 6, because 1 into minus 6. because if we add the number, we get it 1 plus minus 6 means subtract and put the greater number sign minus 5. So it is correct. So two method we can derive this. First method, first you write the factor 2x squared plus x minus 6x minus 3, because 1 means 1x only. So take it x common, 2x. That means if we multiply x into 2x, we will get 2x squared. That is correct. So x in x one time only. So 2x plus 1. Here also that second bracket also you write the same one. And here you see 2x, here minus 6 means which number you multiply, you get it minus 6x minus 3 only. That is minus 3 into 2x minus 6x minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Therefore, the factors are x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. This is the first method. Second method, very easy. First you write it this 6, and here already we find out this one 1 comma minus 6. That means here coefficient is 2. So you divide by 2. This is 1 only. 1. Here minus 6 by 2 means we cancel. 1 minus 3. Always you keep it the denominator x. Here 1 means 1x only. Sorry, minus x is not minus 3. So denominator x you keep it. So the factors are 2x plus 1 and next one x minus 3. Do you understand this? Okay, you use any method. So we find out this factor. Next one 4x squared minus 36 means this is already I told a squared minus b squared. What is the answer? A plus b into a minus b. Here in this sum, what is a? This is a squared only. A means we have to find out the square root. 2x whole squared. If we multiply 2x into 2x, we get it 4x squared. Therefore, 2x is a and 6 are 36. So, b is 6. So, how will you write? 2x plus 6 into 2x minus 6. So, after first bracket, we take it 2 common. So, 2 into x plus 3. And second also, we take it 2 common, x minus 3. After we multiply 2 into 2, 4. Into remaining x plus 3 and x minus 3, write it. Okay. Therefore, LCM is, so first one x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Second one is x plus 3 into x minus 3. So, write it. This is common for both. So, write it first x minus 3 and that remaining terms x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 and also 4. So, our answer is 4 into x minus 3 into x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. Clear? Sixth one, 2x squared minus 3xy whole squared, comma 4x minus 6y whole cube, comma 8x cube minus 27. First one 2x squared minus 3xy whole squared. So here X is common for these two terms. So x you take it common. So x into 2x we get it 2x squared, and x into minus 3y minus 3x. Okay, you take it x into 2x minus 3y. Here x before you put the bracket because it is whole square. That means next step you can expand this. X squared you write separately into 2x minus 3y whole square. This is the factor. Next one, 4x minus 6y whole cube means we take it 4 and 6, which is common, 4 comma 6. Take the common means just that is GCD only. So here 2 comma 3 it's different. So GCD is 2. So 2 take it common, and 2 into inside the bracket 2 into 2x 4x minus 2 into 3y minus 6y whole cube. And here also you expand that 2 cube is what? 8 into 2x minus 3y whole cube. This is the factor for this. Third one, 8x cube minus 27y cube means here also one algebraic identity, that is a cube minus b cube equal to a plus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So first we will find out what is a. A means 8x cube. So we write it at 2x whole cube. How will you get it? 2x into 2x into 2x only 8x cube. So 2x whole cube minus like that 27y cube. Also we can write it 3y whole cube. So we find that a and b. So use the formula a minus b, that is 2x minus y into a squared. A squared means 2x into 2x, that is 4x squared, plus ab. What is a? 2x. What is b? 3y. So 2 into 3 6xy plus b squared. B is 3y. So b squared means 3y into 3y 9y squared. So we can write it 2x minus 3y bracket first, and after a squared plus ab plus b squared, that is 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. So we will find the LCM. Here you see for this first one, this is second one, this is third one. So in this, which one is common first? You see the power. First one 2x minus 3y whole squared. Second one is 2x minus 3y whole cube. Third one is 2x minus 3y. Always we have to write the highest power. So write it 2x minus 3y whole cube. After whatever the leftover terms, you write it 8 x squared also there. So 8x squared into this term 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. So we can write it the LCM 8x squared into 2x minus 3y whole cube and 4x squared plus 6xy plus 9y squared. Okay students, we will see in the next class, next exercise. Thank you.